Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just playing Escape the Ayowoki and I found a key which is really hard to find. So I thought that I should record this for my YouTube channel. I can hear him breathing so heavily. I think he knows that I have the key, so he isn't leaving at all. So I'm just checking around if he is there or not so I can get out and unlock the doors. Okay, finally he left. For 5 minutes straight he was there, sitting right next to me, breathing so heavily. Right now I can hear him breathing heavily right next to me, so I think I should wait for a few seconds so he could go. He is not leaving. Okay, he left. I think I should open the door and see if he's there or not. I hear him. Oh my god, I just saw him coming right next to me. That scared me half to death. Oh my god. I can hear him right now even if I'm paused. I think that I was just going through how the controls of Escape the Ayowoki because it's really hard. And I saw he can hear you literally. Maybe he can hear us in real life. So I think I should keep quiet and all. When will he leave? Okay, he left. I think I have to talk less or else he'll find out where I am. I can hear him right now next to me. I have to cut so many parts. Okay, he left finally. Now I have to get next to the door so I can unlock and get out of the house. Okay, let's move slowly so he wouldn't hear us. I think I hear him. Just have to stay quiet. Okay, let's go. This is going to make a lot of noise. Oh, this is not the main door. We still have to find another key to get out of the main gate. So we found one key and we have to find another one. That's going to be hard. So I found the first key right next to me when I first started playing the game. I just switched on the flashlight, searched for the key in the room which I started, and I found the key on the table right next to me. I'm going downstairs. I think I need to crouch so that he won't see. I think I just heard him. Okay, he's not there. I don't know where to hide because it automatically happens and I don't know how to crouch. What's this? Oh, it's a radio. I hear him. Okay, I'm right now crouching and looking if he's there or not. If he knows that I'm there, I'm going to be dead because I found this key after playing for so long. Okay, I can't see him. I think I need to explore the house now. I've never seen that stairs before. Do you think I should go up? I don't care, I need to go up. Let me just crouch and go or else I think it's better because he can't see us when we are crouching. I think I hear something. Okay, he's gone. Let me go to the other side and see if there's like any keys upstairs or not, and maybe I can try to unlock the main gate. I think the main gate door is red color because the gate is like red color. I think he's following me. Um, no, he isn't. Oh my god, that's a big hallway. Not kidding. I think I should go in there. Oh, it leads downstairs. I think I hear him. Okay, I think we should go down. Maybe it leads to another room. Okay, no, it leads to the downstairs like before. I need to find a key. I I think I should like hide for some time so he doesn't expect us to be here. Okay, I think he went. It's full black. Oh, we can't go any more further. Just trying to find a main key. I can't find it anywhere. This is such a dirty place. He needs to clean up. Um, right now I'm hiding because I can hear him. He's super loud right now. Okay, he finally left. For 5 minutes he was breathing so heavily. He finally left, thank God. But where is the main gate? I don't know where it is. Oh, that's the main gate. Let's try opening it. That made a loud sound. I think I hear him right now because that was super loud. He went. I think I should open it again. But then, don't I have the key to the main gate? Or maybe did I use it to unlock the other gate? Oh my god. That scared me. Okay, so I didn't get to the end of this game. So maybe if I get at least 30 likes on this video, I might do a part 2. So, no, let's change it to 50 likes. So if I get 50 likes on this video, I'm going to make a part 2 and escape Ayowoki. Thanks for watching. Bye.